Eric Burgess here, and we've been asked to find the derivative of y equals e to the 1 over cosecant x. So dealing with the e is easy, right? It's just its own derivative. It's the 1 over cosecant x that'll be a bit of a challenge. So if we take the derivative, we're going to get y prime is equal to, and then we're going to get e to the 1 over cosecant x. We just copy it, cosecant x, times the derivative d dx of 1 over cosecant x. So this is going to turn out to be a little more complicated. So let's go ahead and dive into that piece over here. So the first thing I would do is let's go ahead and rewrite this in terms of sine and cosine. So cosecant is going to be 1 over sine, right? So this is really 1 over sine of x. So when you flip this around, this is just going to be sine of x, right? We'd multiply by sine over x over 1, sine over x over 1. The bottom would simplify and we'd be left with just sine over x. Just sine x. So with just sine x, that derivative is actually super easy. So they kind of just made sine x look really scary is all they did here. So sine x would become, right, when we take its derivative, we're going to get y prime is equal to e to the 1 over cosecant x. And in fact, you could just rewrite this as sine x, since you now know this is just a convoluted way of writing sine x. And then the derivative of sine x is cosine x. And that's it. So they just kind of try and scare you with a reciprocal identity. It winds up being not too bad at all. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop a comment down below, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for future videos, and we'll catch you in the next problem.